Hello everybody, it's Conti here with another video. How to remove the in and out highlighted sections on a video project timeline in the edit interface in DaVinci Resolve. In a previous DaVinci Resolve tutorial on this channel, we looked at how particular sections on a project timeline can be highlighted using the Mark In and Mark Out buttons in your edit window. If I left click on the red indicator, hold my mouse button down and drag my mouse cursor to the right 1 second into my video project on the timeline. Left click once on Mark In and take the red playhead to the second mark, and left click once on Mark Out. I have now highlighted a section which I can modify without changing other parts of my project. For example, if I press delete, the 1 second that I highlighted with the Mark In and Out tools has been removed from my timeline, and 2 separate edits of the video clip that I had at the start of the project remain. And the grey line which appeared above the video edit, along with the dark sections either side of the highlighted video clip, have also disappeared. So how can we remove the in and out points above the timeline without affecting any of the edits on the timeline itself? Go to Mark in the toolbar at the top of your DaVinci Resolve window and choose Clear In. Use Option instead of Alt and Command instead of Control if you're a Mac user. This will remove the marked in section, and to get rid of the whole grey line completely, along with the darker section to the right which covers the rest of the video project on your timeline, go to Mark and Clear Out, like so. Or you can do this the other way around, where you remove the out section before in. Both in and out can be removed simultaneously, or should you wish for the in and out sections to refer to either the visual or audio segments on your timeline, underneath Mark, use Clear Video In and Out so that only the audio section is highlighted. If I now press backspace on my keyboard, use Delete on your keyboard if you're a Mac user, the edits which weren't in a dark grey highlighted section have now been removed from the timeline. And the same can be done to the video element by going to Mark and going to Clear Audio In and Out. And so this time when I press backspace, the shaded video segments remain and the whole audio along with the highlighted visual aspect are deleted. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.